Hi Sanya, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. So I'd like to ask you some questions related to application. Would you like to answer this?
Yeah.
Okay, the session is recording.
Okay.
Okay. So what apps have you used recently?
You know that due to COVID-19 time, so we can't sit our school on scheduled time. So we use Google Meet app for connected our friends, students, and study. So those are used.
Okay. So what kinds of app are usually you interested in?
Mm, I'm interested in like social media apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. And I'm also interested in gaming apps like Ludo. And I'm also interested in video container apps like YouTube. So those are some interested apps.
Okay. So do you use educative applications like
Yeah.
Google Meet, like Google Translate? Do you use this?
Sometimes I use it.
Okay, due to COVID situation, we have
Yeah.
vastly used this application, Google Meet.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So next question for you: what was the first application you used? Can you remember?
I think the first app I was used it was camera on my mother's phone.
Okay, very good. Okay. So what kinds of app would you like to use in the future?
In the future, I would like to use some education related apps for developed my career like Byju's, WhatsApp, Twitter, and dictionary, ebook, etc.
Okay. So, Sanya, thanks for joining this sessions. Thanks for your nice delivery and having good practice and have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome.